And as the markets rallied, a bombshell from the president. The drug he pitched as a coronavirus treatment is now part of his daily regimen. Reporter Natalie Brand is at the White House where Mr. Trump broke the news.
Liz, the president was meeting with restaurant industry leaders this afternoon, including Thomas Keller, known for his famous Napa Valley restaurants. They were talking about safely reopening, but the news quickly turned to hydroxychloroquine after the president told reporters he's taking the drug himself.
I'm taking it, hydroxychloroquine. Right now, yeah.
During a roundtable with restaurant executives, the president revealed he's been taking the drug hydroxychloroquine along with zinc for nearly 2 weeks to try and prevent the coronavirus.
It's been around for 40 years for malaria, for lupus, for other things. I take it. Frontline workers take it. A lot of doctors take it.
The FDA has said hydroxychloroquine should only be used for COVID-19 by patients being monitored in a hospital. The president says he consulted the White House physician before taking it.
No, I asked him, what do you think? He said, well, if you'd like it. I said, yeah, I'd like it.
The president also criticized China and the World Health Organization as it kicked off the World Health Assembly.
The United States pays them $450 million a year. China pays them $38 million a year. And they're a puppet of China.
The president held meetings throughout the day with his advisors, restaurant executives, and state governors, all with one big topic on his mind: reopening the economy.
Not only are the markets up tremendously, but we've had tremendously good and positive information on therapeutics, on cures, and on vaccines.
Stocks rose Monday morning with news the drug manufacturer Moderna Therapeutics posted promising results in phase 1 of its COVID-19 vaccine trial. The FDA has given the go-ahead for the company to move to phase 2 of its study. Early participants developed antibodies after receiving 2 doses of the trial vaccine.
Our goal is to have a vaccine available for broad distribution by year-end or early next year.
Meanwhile, the House passed a $3 trillion stimulus package late Friday, but for now, Senate Republican leaders and the White House have continued to say they're in wait-and-see mode.
House Speaker Nancy Pelosi, speaking to CBS's Face the Nation, reiterated her message that time is of the essence. The country can't afford to take a pause. Now back to tonight's White House news about hydroxychloroquine. Important to note, the FDA put out some guidance back in April cautioning that this drug can cause abnormal heart rhythms in some, also saying that it has not been shown to be safe and effective for treating or preventing COVID, and saying it should be used for COVID-19 only when patients can be appropriately monitored in the hospital or if they're enrolled in a clinical trial with appropriate screening. At the White House, I'm Natalie Brand, KPIX 5.